management. Audiobook Summary Series, presented by MBB Biswanath Subhash Panda. The Total Money Makeover, a Proven Plan for Financial Fitness, by Dave Ramsey. Audiobook Summary. Ramsey outlines a step-by-step plan for achieving financial freedom, tackling debt, and building a solid foundation for personal and professional financial success. Chapter 1. Welcome to the Money Mess. Let's be honest. You're not here by accident. It's a relief to acknowledge that something about your money feels broken. You're not alone in this. You're tired of the paycheck-to-paycheck grind. The overdraft fees. The "I'll pay it next month" lies. You're not alone. Most people are drowning in debt while trying to look rich. But Dave Ramsey? He calls it out. He calls it financial insanity, trying to win with money while doing the same thing that keeps you broke. If you will live like no one else, later you can live like no one else. This is a total money makeover. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-real-quick plan. Chapter 2. Denial is not a river in Egypt. Most of us are in denial. We pretend we're doing okay financially. But our credit card balances say otherwise. Denial is dangerous. And according to Ramsey, it's the biggest obstacle to transformation. You've got to admit, you're broke. You need help. You've been following the crowd. And where does the crowd go? Brokeville. The first step of your money makeover? Rip the mask off. It's empowering to rip the mask off and face your financial truth. You're in control of your financial destiny. Say it aloud. By acknowledging your financial situation, you're taking the first step towards a life of financial freedom. It's a hopeful and motivating start to your journey. Chapter 3. Debt, the false promise, credit cards. Car loans. Student loans. Personal finance's biggest lie? You need debt to survive. Dave Ramsey calls that a myth. In truth, debt is a thief. It steals your income, your peace, and your future. The borrower is slave to the lender. Proverbs 22 verse 7. You felt that weight, haven't you? Every month, your paycheck arrives. And then vanishes. In a makeover, you cut the toxic stuff. And debt is poison. So we're cutting it out. Completely. No excuses. No exceptions. Chapter 4. The myths we believe. Let's break down some dangerous lies we've swallowed. Credit cards are essential. False. They're a trap. Live without them. Car payments are a way of life. Nope. Pay cash. Drive used. You can't go to college without student loans. Actually, you can. Scholarships. Work. Community college. It's doable. A mortgage is the only good debt. Careful. Even that needs to be strategic. Dave debunks these myths one by one. Because to rebuild your finances, you have to unlearn what you've been taught. Chapter 5. Teehee Baby Steps, your 7-step path to financial fitness. Here's the heart of the plan. 7 baby steps. These steps are not to be jumped around. They are to be taken in a specific order, one by one, without skipping ahead. You don't jump around. You take them in order. One by one. No skipping ahead. Let's dive in. Chapter 6. Baby Step 1. Save $1,000 fast. This is your starter emergency fund. Why $1,000? Because life happens. Flat tires, hospital visits, broken appliances. Without an emergency fund, you'll fall back into debt. So pause Netflix. Sell stuff. Work extra. Do whatever it takes to get this fast. It's your first wall of protection. Goal: save $1,000. Immediately. Chapter 7. Baby Step 2. Pay off all debt, except your house, using the debt snowball. This is the game changer. List all your debts, smallest to largest. Forget interest rates. We're focusing on momentum. Pay minimums on everything, except for the smallest debt. Attack that one with rage. Then roll its payment into the next. This is your debt snowball. Each victory builds confidence. Each win adds speed. Personal finance is 80% behavior and 20% head knowledge. You'll feel unstoppable. Chapter 8, Baby Step 3, Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. Now that you're out of debt, you upgrade that $1,000 emergency fund. Ask yourself, how much would cover 3 to 6 months of your life? Rent, groceries, gas, utilities. This isn't an investment. It's an insurance policy against job loss, illness, or global craziness. Keep it liquid. Please keep it safe. Please don't touch it unless it's truly an emergency. This step brings peace. Chapter 9, Baby Step 4, Invest 15% of your income for retirement. Now you can build wealth. Invest 15% of your gross income into Roth IRAs and 401(k)s. Ramsey's advice. Stick with good growth stock mutual funds. Split across 4 types. Growth. Growth and income. Aggressive growth. International. Don't get fancy. Get consistent. And remember, start now. Compound interest is your best friend. Chapter 10, Baby Step 5, Save for your kids' college. If you're a parent, this is big. Don't wait. Don't borrow. Utilize an ESA, Education Savings Account, or a 529 plan, paired with growth stock mutual funds. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Give your kids the gift of a debt-free degree. Chapter 11, Baby Step 6, Pay off your home early. Imagine a life with no mortgage. Freedom. Margin. Possibility. Use every bonus, raise, tax refund, or side hustle to crush that house payment. You'll shave off years, even decades. And you'll save tens of thousands in interest. Remember, the goal is not just wealth. It's peace. Chapter 12, Baby Step 7, Build wealth and give generously. This is the ultimate goal. You're debt-free. You're investing. You own your home. Now you build wealth. Not just for you, but to bless others. You can give outrageously, live purposefully, and leave a legacy. You've won. Now it's time to help others win. Chapter 13, The Power of Focus. Here's the key to all of this: focus. Stay intense. Stay motivated. Don't chase shiny distractions. Your friends will question you. Your lifestyle may change. But your results will speak for themselves. Focus is what turns I wish into I did. Chapter 14, Busting More Financial Myths. Ramsey keeps it honest with more truth bombs. Myth: I need a credit score. Truth: you need money, not a score. Myth: I deserve this. Truth: you deserve financial peace, not another payment. Myth: I'm not good with money. Truth: you're not practiced yet. But you can learn. Excuses are the language of the broke. Discipline is the language of freedom. Chapter 15, Real-Life Makeover Stories. Throughout the book, Dave shares stories of real people. Ordinary folks. With jobs such as teachers, nurses, and mechanics. Who followed the steps and crushed their debt, saved thousands, and became millionaires. These stories remind us, you can't change the past, but can rewrite your future. Chapter 16, The Heart of the Makeover. At its core, the total money makeover is about one thing: taking control. It's not about being rich. It's about being free. No more sleepless nights. No more chasing bills. No more stress over broken cars or surprise expenses. You become the boss of your money. You give, save, and spend with purpose. You live like no one else. So one day you can live and give like no one else. Chapter 17. Your turn. This is your moment. You've heard the steps. You know the path. Now it's time to act. Open that budget spreadsheet. Cut the credit cards. Sell the car. Cancel the cable. Find your why. And then walk the path. Closing words. He makeover that lasts. It won't be easy. You'll feel resistance. You'll want to quit. You'll feel alone. But millions have done it. So can you. You're not a victim. You're not broken. You're not behind. You're in the middle of a makeover. And the new you? He's focused. He's free. He's the kind of man who leads his family, gives generously, and sleeps peacefully. You've got this. Now go. Live your total money makeover. If you enjoyed this audiobook summary, take a moment to share it with others, subscribe to the channel, and give it a like. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your feedback to help us improve, and let us know in the comments if there's a specific audiobook summary you'd like to hear next. Thank you very much.